Great. Got you. Got you. Got you.
Where you there? Inside. Inside. Where you there? Inside.
Where you there, Duffy?
Where you there? Inside.
Duffy, where you there? Where you there?
Inside.
Hey.
As this song stop, just test me. As this song stop play, just test me. As this song stop play, just test me.
Positive. Inside. Hey.
I will, you know what, I can give a slow clap for that one. Yeah. People, good afternoon and welcome to Daytime Live. It is Tuesday. How is the weather? How the weather treating you, my friend?
I love the rain, so it's nice.
Listen, rainy weather. Rainy weather have an emotion to it.
That's true.
Yeah,
How do you feel? How do you feel though?
Me feel every emotion associated with the rainy weather.
Like what?
Inside.
Hey. Sorry.
Anyway, before you know, let's get ready to this part. So due to the coronavirus pandemic, we cannot have any studio audience for a while, but you at home, you are still our audience. So we want you to participate with us. Send us a picture or video of you or your family member watching Daytime Live and post it on our Facebook page with the hashtag Daytime Live and tag us on your Instagram stories and we will show it on the show.
Right, so from Facebook today, we have these photographs from our Daytime Live audience. So first of all, we have Abigail.
Where's Abigail?
I was gonna say, all
Yeah,
right.
Abby.
Hi, Abigail.
Yeah, me like it.
Abigail,
like
I see
it.
Dufton's teeth, very
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Can't really see the shirt, but I think it's blue.
I have some friends that if they're in the dark like that, you don't see them.
Not at all. Me
None
know
of
one of
them.
your friends that was there so too.
Anyway,
Me know the friend.
Marvet Brownlee. Marvet, yes,
Hey, Marvet.
This is what I'm loving. The person sending in pictures are being more creative with
But
their
you see the
pictures
pose
now.
though.
Yes, she
Marvet,
locked
give us the
in.
Devon House pose.
Let's see what Kemar Frasco done bent.
Yes, Kemar.
Yeah, man. Hey,
Yo,
Kemar.
Kemar, boss, you know.
You know, say Kemar do. Kemar,
Man, give us smiles.
but
with
black
the
and white,
eyes.
the man put in the black and white from match the hair, the era.
I like the font there, Kemar. Kemar Frasco. Don Bennett. Okay, so what's Ricardo?
Ricardo Porteous.
Ricardo, where you smile there, Ricardo?
Yeah, man,
Ricardo, you're not
Ricardo.
smiling with us, Ricardo?
My look.
It's okay. I'm surprised for the both of us. You see in the background? I'm like, heart.
Yeah, what were you doing then?
I don't
though?
know. Somebody was surprising me. Probably you. What were you doing?
I don't know. So unique.
What were you doing?
Has two pictures.
Okay.
Yes, so unique.
Okay.
Look at my teeth.
Hey, looking good, Duffy. Looking
That's
good.
what you call a white
Looking
smile.
good. She's
Yeah,
a new
yeah,
one, I
yeah,
think.
you're
So
right.
unique. You equal rights and justice. I like that. I like that.
Serena Williams.
My favorite song, I tell you.
Serena Williams, she's also new.
Hey!
Yeah.
I like your hair. You look
want to get
lovely. And I love she's giving us space. Yes.
I like the crochet.
Yes.
I like the crochet under the TV.
Okay, that is nice.
I love it.
That is nice. I haven't seen one of those in a minute. I like it.
Rafi and Pinedo is next.
Pinedo.
Hey!
Hey!
Pinado. She's mimicking what I did.
She's surprised. She's like, what did Duffy say?
Pinado. Rafi and
Pinado.
Pinado. I like it. They're mimicking it.
Hey, Pinna, hey. She's
like it,
surprised.
I like
I love
it.
it. Beautiful young lady.
Yeah, keep doing
Excellent.
that. Keep doing that. Being creative with your pictures and send them in. Now, guys, don't forget to
Can I
connect
just
with
say,
us. Go on.
You look really handsome today, Duffy. Let me give you a slow clap for Duffy Shepherd. Duffy look really nice today. Hey, look at that. JQ.
Me don't talk for that segment. You say everything else.
So guys, don't forget to connect with us on our social media so you can see more of Dufton Shepherd. So on Twitter and on Instagram, our handle is at TVJ_Daytime Live. However, for Facebook, it's just at TVJ Daytime Live. Handsome Duffy Shepherd.
No, Mr. Continue.
Hey.
Me don't talk for now.
Okay, so to catch all of Duffy's shirts, right? Shirt, smile, everything that's happening, just check us out on onespawmedia.com. But you can also search for us on YouTube. Just search for Daytime Live TVJ for Dufton Shirts. Okay, let's get
Right,
buzzing.
kick off the bus, kick off the bus.
Duffy!
Yes.
Okay, so guys, hear what? After several hours of rain associated with the passage of Tropical Storm Laura on Sunday night into yesterday, the National Works Agency, that's the NWA, says the initial estimate related to the damage is $54 million. So this disclosure was made by NWA CEO Egg Hunter.
E.G.
who-
Hunter.
E.G. E.G. Hunter, who was E.G. Hunter, who was speaking at a virtual press conference from the office of the Prime Minister yesterday.
Now, Hunter said too that
What did
the
he say?
figure could increase.
Ooh.
Rains from the tropical storm, which resulted in flooding, landslides, heavy siltation, and fallen trees in several parishes, impacted roads and infrastructure. Now, NWA Manager of Communications and Customer Service, Stephen Shaw, said that so far, there have been reports of such events in the parishes of Kingston, St. Andrew, Clarendon, St. Thomas, St. Catherine, Westmoreland, Trelawney, and Hanover.
You know what's really interesting to me?
What?
I know that rain is new to Jamaica. Like, we don't normally have
Yeah,
storms.
we
don't normally have tropical
any of these
storms
issues.
and rains.
So these are things that
I understand why it's a new phenomenon. We don't quite know how to deal with it.
As
'cause
far
it's
as I
new.
know,
It's
Jamaica
first
is
time.
not a tropical island.
Not at all.
And a tropical island means that we're gonna have sometimes we have drought.
Yeah.
Sometimes we're gonna have heavy rains.
Yeah, we're not used to
But
that.
because we're not used to that,
Yeah.
which happens every year.
Yeah, if it did happen every year, then we would know what to do. But it
come
doesn't.
on.
So
I mean, like really? Like
Yeah.
I can understand maybe we're having probably like landslides or something like that because when Mother Nature does that actively,
Yeah.
she acts up. But when you talk about like flooding because of blocked drains and
yeah, this
and-
drainage thing, like still.
come on,
Like,
Marcus Garvey Drive is still flooding. What?
yeah.
Really?
And Hagley Park Road, hello. I heard that we're going to have to redo the road that caused us such pain for about 2 years. We now have to. I'm like, come on, we need to do better. And we need to stop letting people off the hook for the poor, shoddy processes that we have, that we're trying, when we're workmanship, and it don't make no sense.
Come on,
we live in a tropical island. We
Like we-
shouldn't be surprised that
Every
Fix the
year,
drains,
every
people.
year, it's prepare for the hurricane season, prepare for a lot of rainfall, but yet still we're having these issues every year, like and
$54 million?
drought and
Enough is enough. And I want to know, NWA, like when we're going to have. Anyway. Anywho. Yes, what else is
No,
going
as
on?
the fallout continues from Usain Bolt's now controversial birthday party, Prime Minister Andrew Holness confirmed that the matter is now being investigated by the police. Now, Holness warned that the sprinter who was confirmed to have contracted COVID-19 will not benefit from any special treatment in the process.
So, during a virtual press conference on Monday, Holness said no one is going to be treated with any exemption. So, all Jamaicans have a duty, and those who have public ear and influence in the public sphere have an even greater responsibility.
Now, Bolt was celebrating his 34th birthday last Friday. Happy Earth Song General at the football factory in Kingston was tested at home a day later in anticipation of a business trip overseas this week.
No trip.
Now, the 100-meter and the 200-meter world record holder confirmed on social media about 11 a.m. Monday that he had not, up to that point, been officially notified of his result. Health Minister Christopher Tufton provided a confirmation of Bolt's result Monday night and advised that the process had commenced for contact tracing.
So the party, which was attended by a host of local and international celebrities, including Manchester City winger Raheem Sterling, Bayern
Leverkusen. It's a
there we
football
go.
team. It's
It's a football team, you know me. Star Leon Bailey and former Reggae Boys captain Ricardo Gardner, as well as other entertainers, have been the bane of criticism after videos surfaced online showing COVID-19 breaches. While there were temperature screening, mandatory sanitization, and mask wearing upon entry, social distancing and mask protocols were later ignored. Occasional sanitation was conducted during the party. So, inside, hey, wait.
Listen to me.
Where you there?
It's-
Where you there? Not at the party. Hey.
Here's the thing about it, right?
I'm done.
Like, persons, like, the video came out. Like, person saw the video. And the people were like, what? Party are going on? And there were a couple of concerns. We're like, hold on, no mask now, weird, and stuff like that. Then...
UPT don't get
and
COVID.
then, because first I heard of the rumors that Bolt had contracted COVID-19. Then he put out his video, and then it was confirmed later on that he actually had it.
Right.
So then the video was now, at that time the video started sharing, because I saw somebody watch the video in slow motion.
Right.
And they were like, no, that, and that. And
why not call the names? Why not calling the names, Duffy? Why not calling the names?
I do not work with the health ministry.
Okay.
And
so
I am
the
not
investigations
responsible
for them?
for contact tracing.
But you know what's interesting though? Can I just say, I am finding it interesting how, and I don't really understand this, so someone needs to explain it to me, how it was that if I test positive or negative for COVID, I would like to feel that I would be the one responsible for notifying the public. I don't think it's anybody else's business to tell my private affair to the whole world. I don't really like that. I feel like that's private. You don't think?
Yeah, because I was wondering, how did his result become public? I'm like, until it was an official announcement.
Yeah.
The interesting part for me was the persons who were at the party.
Disappear.
It's not just disappear. Like, if the camaraderie was there was, it's like every man for himself.
It's like, I don't do it, you know, I don't tell me for go.
And then persons were like giving excuses like, no, this party happened last year. I'm like, the party happened last year, but the song that's being played is a new song.
That never come out last year, people stop
the
like
dance that is, one of the dances that were being featured in the video was that this year dance.
Yeah.
Even the mask wearing, nobody was wearing masks last year.
But I just want to say though, I think it's a really good wake-up call for all of us, because I think there's a lot of people feel that COVID not keeping.
Oh wow, this next story, I really wanted us to get through it, you know.
You really want to get through it?
Let me see what we're getting to. Now, Peter Bunting and Crystal Tomlinson have pulled out of the political debates, which were scheduled for tonight, August 25. Now, Tomlinson has been replaced because of potential exposure to COVID-19 positive persons. Bunting today announced that he was in self-quarantine after coming into contact with the mayor of Mandeville, Donovan Mitchell, who has tested positive for the virus. Tomlinson attended the birthday party of her partner, Beanie Man, over the weekend, and at least one person who attended Beanie Man's party was also in attendance at Usain Bolt's party bash the day before outside.
So they will be replaced in the debates by Raymond Price and Lisa Hanna. So what I want to know is, couldn't Crystal and Mr. Bunting, couldn't they come via Zoom?
Yes.
Everybody's zooming in. I want to hear.
I also
Crystal
believe
is such
that
a good debater.
For these debates, you should also you should have the key persons. So you should have the presidents of both parties.
For sure.
You should have, since we're in the middle of a health crisis, the health representatives, so the health minister and the opposition spokesman on health or spokeswoman on health, and then probably like a social, somebody else. But I think those right now should be the key persons who should be, that both presidents should be represented. So, Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Dr. Peter Phillips, I think, should be in the debate.
I agree. I agree with you.
And also Dr. Christopher Tufton and the opposition spokesperson on health. I don't know who it is. Should be there.
I agree with you.
So questions can be posted to leadership, and so it's so the debates will be, because it's over 3 days, tonight, tomorrow, and also on Friday.
Right.
So it's the 25th, 26th, Mr. 27th, 28th. I think those are the dates.
Right.
It's 3 days, and you can view it right here on TVJ.
Yeah. 25th, 27th, and the 29th.
Right.
So yeah, we're looking forward to that. Grab your popcorn.
I'm going to be tuned in.
Yeah, I think we have a lot to.
Because I think Jamaica has taken a shift from what they call, quote unquote, like that garrison politics. So people just say, listen, me a die-hearted whatever party and vote that, and persons are now listening and voting on issues.
Yeah.
So that's why
I don't agree with you there.
No man, you have more persons who are doing that.
I feel like we're all still garrison people, but now we want to hear what they have to say as well. And on that note, Daytime Live will be right back with more chat. Join us after the break.
Because she get to